Once again, welcome children. Today I am going to start new chapter and the name of the chapter is Carts and Wheels. This is your 8th chapter and in this chapter we have questions based on circle. So let's start. Look here children, this one is tractor and here you can see the tires of this tractor. These are round in shape. Here you can see the bus. The tire of this bus is again round in shape. Here you can see that this wheel is again round in shape. Here you can see this wheel is again round in shape. Now look here children, this man is potter and the thing that he is using to make pot is again round in shape. Now what this baby is telling, hey see how big this wheel is, I have never seen a wheel like this. What he is telling कि देखो कितना बड़ा wheel है और मैंने ऐसा wheel पहले कभी नहीं देखा. So you must have seen many such round things around you. List some more in your notebook. So now you have to write some round things. आपको कुछ round things अपनी notebook में लिखनी है. So here I have written coin, bottle cap, bowl, pen cap, plate, etc. You can write wheel also, tire also. Now next page. Have you ever gone to a bangle shop? क्या आप कभी बैंगल शॉप पे गए हो? बैंगल मीन्स चूड़ी. सो आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ यू हैव गॉन. सो आई हैव रिटन हियर येस. नाउ व्हाट दिस गर्ल इज सेइंग, आई कैन नॉट वियर दीज बैंगल्स, दीज आर टू स्मॉल. सो she is telling that the bangle is too small, she is unable to wear these bangles. Now guess which of these bangle is of your size. I think this smallest bangle is of your size, so I have written the smallest bangle. So next question, take a wire and make a bangle for yourself. Can your teacher wear this bangle? What you have to do here, you have to make a bangle with the help of wire. आपको एक bangle बनाना है, किससे बनाना है? Wire से बनाना है. So how you will make? What you have to do here, you have to take a wire and you have to wrap it around your wrist. Wrist के around इसको wrap करना है wire को. And I think your teacher would not be able to wear that bangle because the size of that bangle is very small, means the size of your hand and your teacher's hand. Your teacher's hand is bigger than your hand. Okay. Now next question. Bangle can be used to trace a circle. What are the other things around you that you can use to trace a circle? So other things that can be used to trace a circle are coin, bottle cap, bowl, pen cap, plate, etc. Children, note here, a circle can be drawn with a rupee coin or a bottle cap, a tire, wheel, but a circle with a definite radius can be drawn using a pair of compasses. Okay. Now moving to the next question. Trace a circle with the help of some of these in your notebook or on the ground. So you have to do this question yourself. Which thing makes the smallest circle? So you have to tell the name of, आपको उस चीज़ का नाम बताना है जिससे आप smallest circle trace कर सको. So here I have written finger ring and coin. Here which thing makes the biggest circle? So I have written cycle rim and tire. Moving to the next page. Look here children. Children are playing some game. This one is game 1 and this one is game 2. So I know you all play both the games. So look here. Do you play these games? Yes. Which song do you sing when you play these games in your school? So children, when you play these games, so at that time you play Rain Rain Go Away. Okay. I am not sure, but I think you all sing this song only. Now moving to the next question. Why do we make a circle in each of these games? Very important question. Children, you can see here in this we have a circle. In this game we have a circle. Here again you can see the children have made a circle. Okay. So now your question is, why do we make a circle in each of these games? So children, see, this one is circle and it has no corner and both the participants are getting equal opportunity or getting equal importance to play the game. Here this boy and this girl both are getting equal opportunity to pick this hanky. Okay, that's why we make circle in the game. So what I have written, because the circle has no corner and every children stand at the circle gets equal importance and opportunity. Now look here, next question, what if a rectangle was made? Discuss. Now children look here, I have made one circle and this I have made one rectangle. हमने एक यहाँ पर circle बनाया है और यहाँ पर एक rectangle बनाया है. Now A, B, C, D are the name of the players. A, B, C, D जो हैं these are the name of the players. Okay, so in case of circle you can see all the players are getting equal chance. All the players are getting equal chance means equal opportunity. Okay, because the distance of the boundary of the circle from the center is equal, means radius is same. Okay, now look here again, A, B, C, D. These are the name of the players, but all the players are not getting equal opportunity because the distance from the center to the player are not same. Okay. Now moving to the next question. Think of some other games you play by making circles. So I have written here the name of the games: musical chair race or passing a circle. Now next page. Nana, Chipu and Ariba want to play a game. They want to make a big circle on the ground, but they cannot make it by tracing. So Ariba tries to draw a circle with a stick. So here you can see they are drawing a circle with the help of stick. Chipu and Nana, it doesn't look like a circle at all. Ariba, okay, why don't both of you try? Chipu and Nana both make circles on the ground. Now here you can see Chipu and Nana both are making circle on the ground. Now here the question is any of these a good drawing of a circle? Discuss. Now you have to tell is any of these means कि इनमें से कोई भी एक circle की तरह दिख रहा है आपको? So your answer will be big no. Why? Because the distance from the center to the boundary of the circle is not same, means radius is not same. Now next question, can you draw a circle on the floor with the chalk? Yes, you can draw. Now also draw a circle in your notebook using a pencil. So you can draw a circle in your notebook with the help of pair of compasses. Now next question, look at the circle drawn by your friends who has drawn the best circle. So children, here you can see this one is an activity based question and आपको ये question खुद करना है, but I have written the answer. Okay, so you can see this one circle drawn by Amit, this one by Rahil and this one by Ashok. So which one is the best circle? You can see here, look here, this one is the best circle. Amit has made the best circle. Why? Because the distance from the center to the boundary of the circle is equal, means radius is equal. Okay, now here you can see radius is not equal, here again radius is not equal. Okay, moving to the next page. Now Ariba decided to use nails and a thread to make a circle on the ground. She took a thin rope and tied nails on both ends of the rope. Then she made a circle with the help of her friend. Look at the picture and see how they are making the circle. So children, this is again an activity. You have to do it yourself. Okay, so here I have written the answer again. Now look here children, this circle is made by group A and this one is made by group B. So I have written here group A, group B, and length of their rope is, in case of group A the length of the rope is 3 meter. group A के केस में length कितना है rope का? rope का लेंथ है 3 मीटर और इन केस ऑफ ग्रुप बी द लेंथ ऑफ द रोप इज़ 4 मीटर. बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग जो आपको यहाँ पे नोट करनी है वो ये है कि जो लेंथ ऑफ द रोप है वही आपकी रेडियस है उस सर्कल की. ठीक है, मीन्स लेंथ ऑफ द रोप इज इक्वल टू द रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल. सो ग्रुप ए में जो आपका रेडियस है दैट विल बी 3 मीटर एंड ग्रुप बी में जो आपका रेडियस है दैट इज़ 4 मीटर. ओके, रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल इज़ 4 मीटर इन केस ऑफ ग्रुप बी. ओके, now which group made the smallest circle? So answer is group A. Why? Because the radius of the circle is 3 meter. Now how long was their rope? So answer is 3 meter. Does a longer rope make a bigger circle? Yes. Can you say why? Because a longer rope act as a bigger radius, so circle made by longer rope was bigger. Now very important statement is written over here. The length of rope used is equal to the length of the radius of the circle. Now next question, what was the radius of the smallest circle? So here you can see this one is the smallest circle and here length of the rope is 3 meters, so the radius of the smallest circle is 3 meter. Moving to the next page. Now draw the radius of this bangle using a ruler. So you have to draw this radius using a ruler. Ruler means scale. So here I have written 1.5 centimeter. This question is given in the book. ये question आपके book में given है. आप लोग measure करोगे radius और you will write it in the book. Okay. Now next question, draw the radius of this circle. So children, again this question is given in the book. So you have to draw the radius, and your question is which circle has a longer radius. So again you have to measure the radius. So here answer is blue circle has longer radius.